Today, ChatGPT messed up in such a way that I never thought was possible. But hey, there you go. And I'm going to show you how. So I was creating an event for one of my courses on Eventbrite. And then I told ChatGPT, if you read what I said, I think we should add something like before the end of 2025. And also we should add the date and the time of the event. And he came back with this message that says, okay, I've done it, and here's the version that you can send out. Now, if you check that date, the date it gave me was Wednesday, the 4th of December. And I just looked at it and just thought, that just doesn't look right. Wasn't sure why I felt that way, but I just checked it anyway. It's giving me a shorter version. Then I discovered that, hang on a minute, actually, Wednesday, the 3rd of December is the 3rd, not the 4th, as ChatGPT gave me. I was shocked. It gave me the 4th, but actually Wednesday is the 3rd. Wow. So I asked ChatGPT, I said, how can you make such a mistake by calling it the 4th? Then it says, oh, you're right, I messed up. It's the 3rd of December. And I really wasn't satisfied because I thought, my goodness, normally, and if you read my next message, I said, normally you made that kind of mistake. Normally, I don't check the dates that you give me. But this, for some reason, I just checked this one. And you normally don't get it wrong. So why did you get it wrong? Now, you now had to think and explain. Now, look at the explanation. I got it wrong because I didn't explicitly calculate the calendar date. Can you believe that? I just guessed. Instead of doing the slow, careful step I'm supposed to do. Okay, and then it goes on. I don't have a calendar built in. Second point he made, this time instead of properly checking the calendar because most of my output feels consistent. Wow. So what have I learned from this? I've learned whenever I give it the prompt to write a date or include a date, I'm going to start saying slow and take a slow and careful step to ensure that you get the day right. Obviously, ChatGPT is good in so many ways, and it's something that I use regularly and daily. So, but I'm going to start including that prompt that says slow and careful, or slowly and carefully check the date. Okay. If you like this video, then do like it. If you like it, do subscribe to the channel for more like this. Because I just think, we need to know when ChatGPT messes up. And if you use it as much as I do, you'll probably take some things for granted. And this has just shown me, Bumi, you need to check all the time. You know what? Maybe you've had your own surprises with ChatGPT. Can you include that in the comments below? And tell me what kind of experiences that you may have had that really alarmed you. All right. Bless you.